industries are evolving faster than ever. Digital transformation is no longer optional. Every industry faces operational challenges: alarm overload, disconnected systems, manual processes, scattered data, unexpected downtime, and rising energy costs. X-Force transforms these challenges into connected, intelligent, and automated operations through one unified platform. Introducing X-Force, SSM Infotech Industry 5.0 platform. Built to digitize, connect, automate, and optimize industrial operations. Bringing people, processes, and data together on one intelligent platform. Connect every PLC, DCS, SCADA system, IoT device, and enterprise application through one intelligent platform. X-Force transforms industrial data into real-time operational intelligence. One intelligent platform delivering complete digital solutions for every stage of industrial operations. From AI and industrial data to manufacturing, maintenance, operations, and analytics, every X-Force solution works together as one connected digital ecosystem. AI continuously monitors equipment health, detecting potential issues before they become critical failures. AI-powered insights help engineers identify root causes, optimize maintenance, and make faster, more informed operational decisions. A unified industrial software platform engineered to connect operations, data, and decision-making across the enterprise. Built on a scalable architecture that adapts to changing operational requirements and future digital initiatives. X-Force, empowering Industry 5.0 through intelligent digital transformation. Connect with us today.